Are you tired of manually handling all your business activities? Then this video is exactly what you need. So hey everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. And today I am going to demonstrate how you can create an AI assistant for your hotel business. And in this we are going to create an AI agent with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And there are going to be three main things. First, we will create an AI agent, and then whenever any user will send our AI agent any message, then this AI agent will reply them automatically. So if you are ready to learn how I am going to create this amazing AI agent, then let us go right onto my screen. Hi, I am Jay and I am your automation guide, and today I will help you create this amazing and powerful AI assistant for your hotel business. So without any delay, let us focus on this AI assistant that I have created for hotel bookings inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. So you can see this is the AI assistant that I have created for my hotel bookings. And now before moving on, let me show you a real-time example of how this AI agent will work once we will successfully complete this AI agent. So to test this AI agent, I will go on my WhatsApp account, and you can see this is my test number. And now I will act as a customer who wants to book hotels in Bhopal. So I will ask this AI agent some questions about hotels in Bhopal. So first of all, I will type down this message: hello, I need help to kickstart my AI agent. And you can see my AI agent is now on, and it has sent me this message: of course I am here to help, what do you need assistance with? And now I will ask my question: suggest some good mid-range hotels in MP Nagar, Bhopal. And then I will send my question, and you can see here are some good mid-range hotels option in MP Nagar, Bhopal. So this AI agent has given me these three different options to choose from. And now I will ask one more questions from my AI agent, like, do hotels in Bhopal allow local ID for check-in? And when I will send this question to my AI agent, it will again answer instantly. And you can see it has answered me: yes, hotels in Bhopal typically accept local IDs for check-in. And now I will ask one more question: what are the cancellation policies for Bhopal hotels? And you can see as soon as I question anything to my AI agent, it almost instantly replies me with every answer. So you can see as soon as I asked the cancellation policies, this AI agent has replied me instantly with the cancellation policy. So this means that this AI agent is capable to answer any of the questions that I will ask regarding the hotels in Bhopal. So this was the quick real-time example, and now I will show you guys how you can also create such an amazing AI agent. And to create this amazing AI agent, you just have to go on a new tab and enter pabbly.com/chatflow. And after that, when you will click on enter button, you will land on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And you can see we have landed on this landing page, and inside this, on the top right corner here, you can see these two different options are available to us: sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, then you have to click on this sign up free, and from here you can create your free account. And for your information, let me tell you that Pabbly Chatflow gives every new user 100 free credits every month to create such amazing AI agents and chatbots. And if you are an existing user, then you have to click on this sign in button. But before moving on, I would like to share some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. So Pabbly has an amazing Facebook community of more than 20,000 subscribers, wherein individuals share their ideas and ask questions from our experts. And here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for you I have added a link of this particular community in the description box of this video. So you can go and join our community from there. And now, as I am an existing user, so I will click on this sign in button given right here. And you can see after that I have landed on this all apps page by Pabbly, and where Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today, as we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow, so I will click on this access now button inside Pabbly Chatflow's box. and after that I will land on this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. And when you are inside this dashboard, the first thing that you have to do is you have to add your WhatsApp number inside this Pabbly Chatflow. And if you want to add your WhatsApp number, then you just have to click on this add WhatsApp number button, and after that you will see these two different options available to you: WhatsApp Connect and Token Connect method. You can choose any one of these methods to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And if you want to learn in detail how you can add your WhatsApp number, then you can check out the video added in the description box of this video. And when you have successfully added your WhatsApp number will get visible here on the top. And on this left side here, you can see Pabbly Chatflow offers many features like dashboard, inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity log, settings, get help. And if you want to learn about any one of these features, you can go and check the description box of this video. And now, as I have already added my WhatsApp number, so I will click on this AI assistant feature given right here, as we are going to create an AI assistant for ourselves. So you can see now I am inside this page of AI assistant, where you can see these are all the AI assistants that I have created. And this AI assistant for hotel bookings is the AI assistant that I have shown you in the beginning of this video. So first of all, I will deactivate this existing AI agent, as I want to create an exactly same AI agent for myself. And you can see my assistant is deactivated successfully. And now I will click on this add AI assistant button to start creating a new AI assistant. But before that, we have to give a meaningful name to our AI assistant as hotel booking AI assistant. You can give any name as per your preference to your AI assistant, and then you have to click on this add AI assistant button given right here. And here you can start creating your AI assistant. And inside this, there are going to be 4 simple steps. First, we will work on AI instructions. Then we will work on its knowledge source. And after that, we will work on assistant's interface. And the last thing we will work on is its styling. So first of all, let us work on this AI instructions. And inside this, first we have to select the instruction type. So for this instruction types, I will select this AI agent, as I want to create an AI agent for myself. But you can choose any one of them as per your preference. And after selecting this instruction type, I will work on this instruction. So you can see Pabbly Chatflow has already provided us with this role and constraints of this AI agent. But if you want to enter the role, constraints and anything else as per your preference, so you can also type and change these things manually. But for now, I will let it remain exactly as it is. And for this AI configuration, first you can see this temperature is given to us and it is already set at 0.5. So if I will set it at 0, it will be more focused, and if I will set it at 1, then it will be more creative. So to maintain a balance between focus and creativity, we have already set it at 0.5. And after that, we have to select an AI to use. To select this AI, you can see there is only one option inside this box, open AI. So I will select this, and after that I have to select the model. You can see there are various models given here, but I will select this GPT-4o mini for myself today. But you can select any one of them as per your preference. So you can see I have selected this GPT-4o mini, and for this API key, we have to enter OpenAI's API key. And to get this API key, first you have to log in your OpenAI account inside your PC, and then you have to click on this OpenAI hyperlink given right here. And you can see I have clicked on this, and then I have landed on this OpenAI platform. And then I have to click on this create new secret key, and after that I will give a name to my open key as new key. And then when I will click on this create secret key, you can see my secret key has been created successfully. And now I will just copy this secret key from here, and then I will go back on my Pabbly Chatflow account and I will paste that API key here, and then I will click on this connect button, and you can see my OpenAI key is saved successfully. And after that, you can see these AI assistant settings are given. So if you want to show a header message, then you have to toggle on this header message, and if you want to show footer message, then you can toggle on this footer message, and if you want to enter a stop keyword, then you can toggle on this stop keyword and enter any stop keyword like this. So you can see I have entered this stop. So whenever any user will type and send this message stop to my AI assistant will stop replying to that particular user. So if you want to add this stop keyword, you can keep this toggle on, or you can turn off this toggle. And you can also add retry attempts between 1 to 10, and if you do not want to add any retry attempts, then you can simply toggle off. And this fallback message, you can see this fallback message will come whenever any user will ask our AI assistant any question which is outside my assistant's knowledge base. So with this fallback message, we have successfully completed our first step, and now I will move towards the knowledge source, the second step to build my AI agent. So now we have to add a knowledge source for our AI assistant, and our knowledge source can only be uploaded if its size is less than 90 MB and the accepted formats are .txt and .pdf. So you can see this is my knowledge source that I have already created for my AI assistant, and I have also provided this knowledge source with all of the required details about my hotel bookings in my city. So if you want to create a knowledge source for yourself, then you can also create your knowledge source by providing all of the details about your business inside that knowledge source. So now I want to download this knowledge source, and to download this I will click on this file button, and after that you can see inside this download option all of these formats are available. So you can see this was the .txt format and this is the .pdf format. So you can download your knowledge source in any of these two acceptable formats inside Pabbly Chatflow. And as I have already downloaded my knowledge source, so I will go back on Pabbly Chatflow, and after that from here I will drag this knowledge source like this, and I will drop my knowledge source here. And you can see my knowledge source has been uploaded and processed successfully. Now for those of you who do not know why we provide our assistant with a knowledge source, have you ever wondered how the AI assistant knows what to say? Well, just like we learn from books and the internet, AI assistant also needs something to learn from, and that's exactly where a knowledge source comes in. In simple words, a knowledge source is simply the place from where AI assistant gets all of its information from. And now after we have successfully uploaded my knowledge source, we will move towards this assistant interface. And inside this, for this header display, you can also enter your brand name as per your wish. So for my brand name, I will enter Pabbly as my brand name, and for the subheading name, it is entered "We are online and happy to assist you." So you can see this is how your heading display will appear, and this is how your subheading will appear. And after that, for this initial message, you can add only two initial messages. One is already inserted, and you can add one more if you want. And for this powered by Pabbly option, you can also enable or disable it. And for this footer text, this privacy policy, this is actually a hyperlink. You can create this hyperlink by typing down the text right here in this footer text option and pasting the link inside this footer link box given right here. And for this user first message, you can see "I need help" is already typed in. And now after completing this, we will move towards our last step, styling. And for this styling, you can change theme mode to light or dark. You can change assistant's shape to circle, square or rounded square, or you can also change the color, header profile or assistant profile picture. But as I do not want to change any one of them, so I will let them remain as it is. And now my AI assistant has been completed successfully. So now I will turn on my AI assistant, and then I will click on the Save AI Assistant button. And if you want to add this AI assistant to your website, then you just have to click on this embed button, and you have to copy this script from here, and then you have to paste this script on your website. And after that, this AI assistant will work from your website. Okay, so as I have successfully completed this AI assistant, and now I will assign this AI assistant to my test number. And to assign this AI assistant, what I have to do, I have to go on this inbox given right here, and after that I have to select the chat on which I want to assign this AI assistant. So let's suppose I want to assign my AI assistant for this number. So I will click on this choose AI assistant given on the right side here, and then I will select my AI assistant. So you can see this is the AI assistant that I have created right now. So I will select this AI assistant and then I will click on this save button. And now you can see my AI assistant is enabled successfully for this number. And now I know that you must be wondering that if you are required to manually turn on this AI assistant for all of your contacts, then trust me, that is not the case. You can also turn on this AI assistant for all your contacts at once. And to do that, you just have to go on this setting option given right on this left side here, and after that you have to click on this inbox setting, and when you are inside this you have to scroll down to the most bottom, and after that first you have to turn on this enable AI auto replies button, and after that you have to select the contact list for which you want to enable this AI agent. And if you want to enable this AI agent for all of your contacts, then you can simply click on this all contacts option given right here, and from this right side here you can choose the AI assistant which you want to attach to that particular contact list, and then you just have to click on this save button, and after that your AI assistant will automatically get enabled and attached to all of your contacts that you have chosen in this contact list option given right here. So now as we have successfully completed creating this WhatsApp AI agent, so let us go on my WhatsApp account and let us test this AI agent. So you can see this is my WhatsApp account, and now I will type down a message as hello, I need help, and then I will send this message to my AI agent, and you can see my AI agent will reply me instantly with this, of course I am here to help. And now I will start asking questions to my AI agent. So my first question will be, are there hotels in Bhopal with 24 hours check-in? And then we will send this, and then you can see as soon as I have sent this message to my AI assistant, it has replied me with yes, there are hotel in Bhopal that offer 24 hours check-in. And now I will ask another question to my AI agent, can I get a deluxe room with lake view in Bhopal? And when I will send this question to my AI agent will again reply me instantly as yes, you can find deluxe rooms with lake view in Bhopal. And now I will ask one more last question to my AI agent, which 5-star hotels in Bhopal are offering discounts? So you can see my AI agent has answered me with this response that these particular hotels are offering discounts. So this means that the AI agent that I have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow is working all fine. So you can also create such an amazing AI assistant for your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and you can access Pabbly Chatflow right now by just clicking on the sign up free button and creating your free account. So if you liked this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel, and thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create various WhatsApp chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit us at this website. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.